Well, hi, it's Nye. So today we are testing out these Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kits. I did see Tati review this first and then Jackie Aina, and I was like, you know what, I gotta try it because they looked really pretty and pigmented. And I got the shade 15 Venomous. They come in like these little cardboard sleevey things, and it comes in like this plastic case. It looks like an eyeshadow, like a tiny eyeshadow quad, but it's not. So you open it up, and as you can see, I haven't touched it yet, and you get, I think this one's like a cream and this one's a shadow. Ooh. This doesn't seem very pigmented. You see that? It doesn't look very pigmented. Why doesn't that? Oh, that's blue. That doesn't look very pigmented. Let me see if I can like build it. Okay, it does look buildable. And this one is more like a cream. I mean, this side's more like a powder. So it's like a cream and then an eyeshadow, I guess. Those are horrible swatches. Why don't these don't swatch as good as on them as they do on me? Sadness. I don't have a lip brush because I don't use lip brushes. So I'm just gonna use this brush because why not? Okay, got some on both sides, and what? It's like patchy. Don't know if navy blue is exactly my color, but we're gonna keep rolling with it. So I just want to pause for a second. Doesn't it totally look like the same color as like in the same shape as like Stitch's head? Like it looks like I have Stitch from Lilo and Stitch on my lips right now, and it's very disturbing, and I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about it. So I mean, it literally does though. You can't say it doesn't. So I want you to just close your eyes with me. And 3, 2, 1, open them. See, I told you it was Stitch. I told you, you thought I was lying. Okay, let me stop. It took me like Jesus, it took me like 10 minutes to get this on. Not like some places it would like lift up and be patchy, and then like it didn't really, it's not really my thing. But and plus like my lip shape is just trash. So I was like trying to get it, and then I was like, oh wait, but I messed it up. I don't line, like this is why I don't line my lips, because I don't know how to do it properly. But anyway, now we get to use the greeny shade. Now it's supposed to look like that. I don't know if it's really gonna look like that, but we're gonna try. Gonna take some and oh my. This is a lot. Where am I going? Seriously. It is very matte. It doesn't make my lips feel dry or anything. Oh, these were like $8.49 or something like that at Walmart, so I don't know. It's a lot. You know what? Let me take some of the blue and just kind of darken this part, because I feel like all over is just way too much. I mean, I look like garbage. I look like metallic garbage. Like, is this supposed to, is this, it doesn't look like the picture. Like, this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it actually looks like. Like, it's not the same. Maybelline, oh Jesus Christ, Casper. Okay, you see how it has like brown and teal and green? This is just green. Like, it's literally just green. So Maybelline lied and photoshopped the crap out of this. So that's just great. I know these are supposed to be like I just hit puberty. Okay. I know these are supposed to be like editorial and cool, but I don't feel editorial and cool. I feel like shiny garbage. So I mean, on the right side they make your teeth look really white. Yeah, but you know, I mean, the other shades might be better, but this one, don't get this one. Just don't. I mean, you can get this one because, you know, like every like beauty influencer or whatever, they like everything looks good on them, and then I try to do something and just you know what I feel like? I feel like in that episode of SpongeBob where SpongeBob was delaying doing his essay, and he's just like, can't have dirty garbage, so he like shined and washed the garbage. That's what I feel like shiny washed garbage. So he's literally me though. Like, I am the biggest procrastinator ever. Like, I'll do things like, things are due like 11:59, and I'll be like working on it at like 11 o'clock that night, and I'm like, yep. Anyways, off track. These, maybe if you guys want me to, I'll try the other shades, but as for this one, Venomous, don't buy it. I mean, it may look good on you though, you know. I'm kind of curious to see what these would look like on the eyes though, you know. I feel like they're not supposed to go in the eyes, but I feel like I can maybe make it work. So yeah, and I'm gonna just take this off now because nobody wants to go around looking like this. No one. There aren't even any directions on the box. You know what? Whatever. That's all that I had for this video. High-key disappointed. Anyways, that's all that I have for this video. If you liked it, then good for you. And I will see you guys in my next one. Comcast. I don't know.